Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy and I'm very short on time today, so I'm not going to go over the entire penny stock watch list, but I am going to go over the ones that I have the biggest positions in. And we're going to start off here with TSNP on the 30-minute time frame, down 13.11%, but we actually had very beautiful price action. We did find our bottom on our level of support here that we've been watching for a long time. You guys know we are trading in this pennant, and so if we just kind of keep trading along this line, I do expect us to continue to kind of just ping pong in between this channel until about March 15th, when we'll start to get better indication if this one wants to go up or down. As of right now, just kind of keep watching this here. Anytime you can buy on support is a very nice opportunity to buy the dip and average down your position if need be. And so overall we were down 13%, but on a technical basis we are trading just like we are supposed to be. And so second stock of the day, we're looking at SNDL on the 30-minute time frame. And so another flat day, just trading sideways. The Nasdaq got crushed today, and SNDL along with it was down 5.8%. And so as long as the Nasdaq keeps getting crushed, SNDL will keep getting crushed. But keep in mind, this is not getting hammered as much as the big tech plays, and so that is a pretty bullish sign in my opinion. And we have still been holding support for a very long time, so this is a very healthy consolidation area that we've been trading in for SNDL. Very nice opportunity to buy this and hold for a long-term play. Next stock of the day, we're looking at IGEN on the 30-minute time frame. So we got crushed today in IGEN, down 11.66%. But this price action is clearing up a pattern right now, and I do think we are finishing out our handle right now. We may even see some more downside here until about 0.0128, and so I think that will be our final level of support. If IGEN cannot hold that level, then we will become bearish on IGEN in the short term. And so I am holding this stock for the medium to long term. I do believe at the very least we can test this level of resistance here at around 0.038. And so I do kind of have this visual depiction of what IGEN potentially could trade like in the future, and kind of my game plan with this. I do think we will come here, we will back test, get rejected, hold this level of 22 cents, and then eventually break above this point. And so that is kind of just my timeline here for IGN. I know there are a lot of you in the comments that are just itching for this to explode. You got to be patient with stocks that have been in the game for a while. If we're kind of looking at our RSI here on the daily time frame, we still have a little bit more room to the downside right now, and so that little bit of room to the downside would bring us down to about this point right here, which is a key level of support for us. And so I bought some more IGEN today, and if we go down even further, I will continue to buy some more IGEN. And those of you who are getting a little bit antsy about holding IGEN, just remember you're holding a company that has a lot of future prospects, and in the short term they have written and told you that they have a lot of deals on the table. And so that is obviously something that you want to see with a company, and that's why we are here on IGEN at a very, very cheap price. And so don't be nervous with IGEN, just hold and patiently wait, because your day will come with IGEN. Next stock of the day here is HITIF on the 30-minute time frame. So another stock that I added more to my position. So I was telling you guys that we were waiting to fill this gap here at around 79 cents. And so that is exactly what we did today. You can see once we filled that gap, we just traded sideways and consolidated in this range. And so that is where I scooped up some more shares here on HITIF. And HITIF is by far my favorite cannabis play. These guys are profitable. These guys had record revenues year over year. Their balance sheet is nice. They have cash on hand. Everything about what their management is doing is amazing. And so if you were to do a side-by-side comparison of maybe SNDL and HITIF, I could do a very long video explaining why HITIF is a way better investment than SNDL. SNDL is more of a play where you capitalize on the volatility and the hype because there's so many numbers pushing it. But if you're here for a long-term solid company with solid fundamentals, your money should be in HITIF. And so that's how I kind of see the two, and I distinguish the two. SNDL has a ton of dilution that I don't personally like in a long-term hold, but for a trade, that's how I'm treating it. As a trade, it is a very great opportunity. But if you are looking for a hold, I would recommend HITIF. And so last stock of the day here, we're going to look at HCMC on the 30-minute time frame. And so we had a crazy day today. We were down as much as 30% today, but then we ended up being up 30% today. So we closed above our level of support right here, which was absolutely bullish. And so you guys do remember I did buy here on this level of support, and I am still waiting for HCMC to fill the gap here to the upside. So I really like this move that we had in HCMC. And so I do think this is a still very nice buying opportunity in the long run here for HCMC. And so this is a very quick update video. This is only covering a portion of our watch list. So I will be back tomorrow with our full watch list, but I am short on time today. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 10K subs. So if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.